notification on my screen. My bike is an Ola S1, and so the screen I happened to get notification saying there was a scooter issue. So immediately it went into parking mode, and I applied the brake and I slowed down. And after that, I put the stand, and the bike went off immediately on its own. Then after that, I started to get a burning smell, and there was smoke was coming from the tube. So afterwards, I tried opening the tube to check if anything is there, if I can pull it out. I tried, was unable to, and the bike slowly started to catch fire. So after the bike got completely burnt by the fire, the fire brigade came and they put out the fire, and luckily the battery did not explode. And so
how much time is totally burn जावपाक कितलो time लो?
It took almost within say 20 minutes, 25 minutes, it can get completely burnt.
Already complained to the company about it.
As of now, we're still in the process. We are still with the police. We're still in the report around. So that's it up.
Okay. No issues happened. This morning my son was going to work on this bike. He works in a dairy farm after Curchorem, that's after Sour Day, and he was going to work. And when we reached this point, suddenly smoke started coming out of the bike, and he tried to open the dicky. He could not open the dicky because it broke into flames. And it is very lucky that my son escaped unharmed without a burn or anything. The bike burst into flames, and within a few minutes it had totally burnt up. The fire brigade came from Curchorem. They put out the fire, but not much was required because already the fire had burnt out the bike totally. So this bike is now just about 2 years old. It is completed 2 years, and we have not had any major issue except that the belt had a problem of the bike. Belt had gone and parts were not available. But subsequent to shouting and screaming at the Ola station, we got the part done. But after that we've had no problem. But now this has happened today. I feel like I've invested 1,50,000 or 1,60,000 in the bike, and for 2 years I've invested and I've not got the money's worth even from there. It is like a loss for me.